What's up YouTubers, today in this video I'll be doing an electronic review. The item that we're reviewing is a PowerBank Bluetooth keyboard by a company called Fenifox. It's an official made in China product, okay, and they specifically make keyboards or like stuff like this, PowerBank keyboards, Bluetooth keyboards, fly mouse, etc. Now the model number, as you can see, clearly says it there, JYH-BT100. At the back of the actual box, it just gives you just a technical specification, information of the actual PowerBank keyboard. The fact that the size is there, the weight, the input, output, the battery is 24.05 WH. Charging time takes around, as you can see, says it there, 4.5 hours. But the fact that it's because it's a Bluetooth keyboard that can be connected to various devices, which I will show you, and on top of that, as you can see, it gives you that picture that it can charge other devices as well. So that's pretty much quite interesting as well. Okay, so especially if you got a Windows laptop or PC, etc., that accepts Bluetooth, this is pretty good. But then again, it is compatible with other devices. So this is the device you will get, and on top of that you will get quite a long micro USB cable only. You won't get no mains charger or mains plug, etc. Just this and the cable. You will need your own mains plug that you have to connect to the socket to use to operate this and charge it. Now here he is. It's very slim. I mean, it's very slim, portable. You can carry around anywhere, and obviously leaving on the table, it's like it literally gets camouflaged with the actual table. Okay, it has the color of the actual iMac, so if you got iMac and you want to use this, it's even better. Okay, but then again, it's useful for other stuff. For example, if you got iOS, okay, smartphone, tablets, etc., it's useful for that. If you got Android, Android tablets, Android laptops, smartphones, etc., it's useful for that. Windows as well, and Windows is mostly make laptops, so if you want something different, or a PC that you want to use a keyboard from your sofa all the way down there, and obviously it depends on your PC screen. Alright, so if your screen is quite big, that's very useful as well. Okay, so as you can see, basically it's something that if you got a Bluetooth, anything that has Bluetooth and you can control it and type, etc., it will basically operate with that. Okay, at the top, as you can see, that's where the micro USB cable, charging cable goes in and charges it, and takes 4.5 hours. It has the brand logo there, Fenifox, and that's where the indicator lights are there. Okay, so I'm gonna on it. All right. Before that, as you can see, that's a USB port. Now, obviously, if you got most of the items, devices get charged by this as well. So you just connect this through that, okay, and just get just another device, attach that to the other side, and that's it. It's charging at the same time while you're using this as a keyboard. So it's pretty cool, this new keyboard style. And as you can see, this light here, okay, as you can see, it has a red light and 3 green lights. That means it's full charge. Alright, when it goes to red light, you know that's obviously its charge is running out, it needs to get charged. And overall, it's basically the normal keyboard. There's nothing different. Alright, the buttons are all smooth to use. For watching a film, you got that rewind, play, pause, volume up, volume down, mute. You got basically everything. Okay, but in my opinion, it is a very affordable Bluetooth keyboard with a power bank built in. Okay, it's very slim. The reliability is amazing. The quality is very good. It's made out of metal, so that's pretty good. Plastic buttons, so obviously keyboards have that. And obviously it doesn't have no switch off button. It automatically switches off when there's nothing connected. If you want to switch off, the buttons there, just hold and you switch off. But overall, it is an amazing keyboard. At the back, as you can see, you got grips as well to, you know, wherever you leave it, it doesn't slip away or anything or move. So pretty much I covered most of the things. All I could say is the pricing is around just £20 to £30 in UK currency from Amazon. And obviously, if you're interested in this product, or you want to know more about it, just type in the name. It's called Fenifox, and the model number is there. It's JYH-BT100. And to be honest, in my opinion, I would rate this just around, just say around 8 out of 10, because it does cover a lot of things, and on top of that is a power bank. Okay, so thank you for watching my video. Please give a like and subscribe.